Anthropic just dropped Claude Sonnet 4.6 today, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can update all your workflows including Clawbot to be able to use Claude Sonnet 4.6. Now before we go through that, let's look through the new update. So here they actually say that it's better at coding, computer use, long context reasoning, agent planning, knowledge work, and design. It also has a 1 million token context window. Performance that would have previously required reaching for an Opus-class model, including on real-world economically valuable office task, is now available with Sonnet 4.6. So what they're saying here is that Sonnet 4.6 can actually work even better than Opus 4.5. This means that it works better and for cheaper. So here you can actually see Sonnet's progression since October 2024 when it first came out. Sonnet 3.5 was at around 14.9% in its score. And then when Sonnet 3.7 came out, it went to 28. Then Sonnet 4 went to 42. And now we had Sonnet 4.5, which was at a whopping 61. And today with Sonnet 4.6, we go all the way to 72.5 score. The progression in the past couple years with these models is absolutely insane. So here we can take a look at some benchmarks. We have some agentic terminal coding. We got a 59%, which is a bit less than Opus 4.6 and just marginally better than Sonnet 4.5. Here we have agent coding as well, where it's only a couple percent better. So here we have a nice improvement. We have agentic computer use at a 72%, basically being equal to Opus 4.6 and over 10% better than Sonnet 4.5. Also for agentic tool use right here, we got marginally better in retail, coming really close to Opus 4.6. Now for scaled tool use, we had a massive upgrade here. We got to 61%, even beating Opus 4.6. As you can see right now, Opus 4.5 is taking the lead on that. We got a massive boost in agentic search right here, going from 43% to 74%, but where it has seemed to take the lead is in agentic financial analysis and office tasks. Here we actually have Sonnet 4.6 taking the lead over all their models, as well as an insane improvement in novel solving. As you can see here, we went from 13.6% to 58%. So benchmarks wise, we got a massive boost in this new model. So as you can see in the Vending Bench Arena, Sonnet 4.6 versus Sonnet 4.5. Sonnet 4.6 was underperforming for a bit, pretty much staying equal with Sonnet 4.5 up until day 150, where it just started marginally getting better and better and had some exponential growth near the end. Now, if you want to use Sonnet 4.6 in your workflows or Clawbot, we're just going to come to OpenRouter here, and they have already added the models. So if you come to models, you'll see Anthropic, Claude, Sonnet 4.6. Now, if we click on that, we can see that it's already being used a lot. Already 566 million tokens used in OpenClaw, as well as 493 million tokens in Claude Code. And this is just the first day that it has launched. So what we want to do is scroll all the way down over here to where we have the code. And if we wanted to change our default model to Claude Sonnet 4.6 in OpenClaw, all we would do is copy this code right here. Make sure that your OpenRouter API key is already connected. I did make a video showing you guys how to do that, so if you do want to learn that, make sure to check the previous video. So once we copy this, you simply come to your OpenClaw gateway dashboard and you just type it in and you just write change my default model to this. Once you click enter, it's going to change your model to connect to OpenRouter, and you're going to be able to use Claude Sonnet 4.6 on OpenClaw. From my testing Claude Sonnet 4.6, I think the results are really good, and I really do recommend you guys to changing your default model on OpenClaw to Claude Sonnet 4.6. I think it's very worth it because the results are much better. I just wanted to film this quick video to give you guys an update on this new model. Make sure to play around and do your own tests with it to see its potential. As you can see from the benchmarks, it is really, really good, much better than its previous model. So if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online with AI, I do have my school in the first link of the description. Make sure to go check that out. Also, if you or your business needs help with marketing or AI, I have my agency in the description as well. You guys can check that out. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!